Here's a question I get all the time in the Standout Facebook group. How can I look better on camera? And really the subset to that question is, how can I appear more confident on camera? I'm going to address both of those in this video Kickstart number 8. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com, and I'm so thankful that you're here. People come to me when they want some guidance on content strategy, video marketing. Sometimes they want some help on how to create consistency in their videos. And we've been doing this Video Kickstart series to give you some quick ways for you to start using video in your business, like today. So how to look better on camera, and really how to appear more confident on camera. And I have 3 tips that I want to share with you. Tip number 1 is to look great on camera. And you may be thinking, well, okay, of course I want to look great on camera. Well, part of that is looking great on camera by wearing something that makes you look amazing. And so I have some tips on how to find that. And it ties to color. Color is very, very important to me on camera. And to me, if you find your favorite color, whether that's bright yellow, it's orange, it's fuchsia, it's purple. Purple is mine, by the way. I'm not wearing purple today, but purple is one of my favorite colors and I wear it all the time. If you find a color that looks amazing on you, wear it solidly on camera. So find it in a solid and wear that on camera. You will look more confident and feel better on camera almost immediately. So you will look better and you will feel better and look more confident. So that's my first tip, is to pick a color you love and wear that proudly. Tip number 2 is to sound better on camera. And part of it is your audio. Make sure that you have a microphone if you need one, if sound around you is an issue. But part of that sounding better on camera is being confident about what you're saying. And so I suggest you watch Video Kickstart number 7, where I talked about the no-fail video formula. In a nutshell, it's knowing what you want your video to do and being able to explain that clearly. So if you want to share more information about your products and services with clients, then be clear about what you're doing and how you serve your clients, and sharing that in a clear way on camera. Take a look at my no-fail video formula and you can see how I walk you through problem, solution, transformation, and how you can share your message in such a clear way with the people who need to hear it. So tip number 2 is to sound better, because once you sound better, you will appear more confident. The last tip is something I didn't used to do, but now I do all the time, and that is to constrain time. That is to give yourself a limited amount of time to carry out your project. If you had 4 days to create videos, you would take every minute of 4 days. But if you have an hour to create your videos, you'll create your videos. If that is you and you give yourself an hour to do your work and you have even a slightly competitive nature, you will get it done. Just to beat yourself, to one-up yourself, you will get this done. And that to me has been a game changer, because you can spend a lot of time trying to make everything perfect. If you have a limited amount of time, you're going to get stuff done. And that's what I suggest for you. So tip number 1, look great by wearing a color you love. Tip number 2, sound great by preparing what you're going to say and targeting your message to the people who need to hear it. And tip number 3, constrain your time. Those are my 3 best tips for feeling confident and looking great on camera. Thank you so much for joining me for this Video Kickstart series. I've enjoyed putting it together. If you have any topics you'd like me to address, put that in the comments below and I'll try to address them in a future video. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you can be notified when new videos are released. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.